Self-check 1, test 1, multiple choice. Number 1. The option portrait in the landscape comes under dash. A. Paper size. B. Page orientation. C. Page layout. D. Page rotation. Answer B. Portrait. Number 2. Portrait in the landscape are A. Paper layout. B. Paper size. C. Page orientation. D. All of the above. Answer C. Page orientation. Number 3. Superscript, subscript, strikes through are known as A. Font face. B. Font style. C. Font effect. D. Font format. Answer C. Font effect. Number 4. We can start a message word by typing dash in the run dialog box. A. Win word X. B. Word X. C. MS word X. D. Docs X. Answer A. Win word X. Number 5. You cannot close a MS Office application by A. Exit from file menu. B. Press Alt plus F4. C. Click X button. D. Close from file menu. Answer D. Close from file menu. Test 2. Short answer writing. Number 1. List the basic 2 page orientation in MS Word. Portraits and landscape. Number 2. To merge the paper layout, we can select page layout and margins.